Ethan's.
Okay, here we go. It's Easter 2010.
Here, I'll hold this for you.
Approximately 6:30.
Pick up the eggs.
Okay. What's going on, David?
The Easter Bunny cake.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's
All right.
Ethan's tray.
It looks like the Easter Bunny left some kind of a trail of eggs here for the boys. Hey, Ethan.
Show them how it's two different trays.
And Dave.
A card!
What? Better turn the light on here.
A card! And a golden egg! A golden egg too!
Oh, yeah? Cool.
Mommy, I found a card!
Wow.
Oh, you're doing pretty good there, David.
Look!
Oh, look at that.
Mommy, there's lots of sentences on here.
You wrote a lot this year? Read it. What does it
I...
say? Here, I'll read it. Hang on. Let me see.
Oh, I can feel the chocolate. It's almost... There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 paw prints. I think because he liked it. The Easter Bunny didn't really eat the carrot. The golden egg. What's inside the golden egg? Yeah, I don't want that.
What is it?
Big jelly bean.
Oh, that's good. It's not a jelly bean. It's a chocolate. Okay, it says, I hope you have a great year. Wait, did you hear me? I hope you've had a great year. I'm so proud of how well you are both doing in school. You are both such good little boys and so sweet. Happy Easter. Love the Easter Bunny.
Mommy! Look, Mommy! New pins for my board.
Go get yours, Ethan. Where's Ethan's?
Wow, what else you
And a
got?
bunny. A
Wow.
colorful bunny.
What do you think, Ethan?
And a chocolate bunny. And a car. No, that's not a car.
That's yours.
There's a car. Wow. Got a chocolate bunny, too?
And a chocolate egg.
Cool.
And some crayons. And some jelly beans.
Wow, that's heavy.
Let's look what it is. What's in here? Jelly beans.
Come on.
Why is there all jelly beans in here?
I don't know. Maybe that's what he wanted to give you this year.
Oh, I need to see it.
Just make a pile of them if you don't like it. Oh, look. Got some chalk.
All right.
Okay, I like it.
So that was fun, huh, David? Yeah? Ethan, did you like that? Yeah? You got some chalk?
This is what color the Easter Bunny is?
Ethan got some sidewalk chalk with bunnies.
Me.
You guys can share it.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy Easter.
Bye-bye. Happy Easter. Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Thank you, Easter Bunny.